Good. Ready? Fight! 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 Safe. Transition to pistol. 2 shots.
Let's go middle. Right. Missing that right one.
Yeah.
Did I get it?
Nope. Got it.
Let's go left. And
Yeah, I grazed it somewhere. Hit.
Nice. Yeah, I was just aiming center of mass.
Good hit.
Same target. No idea where I'm hitting. I'll try the left one. So where's that flapper? Is it in the middle?
Yeah, it's center and then head.
So there's 2 of them?
There's 2.
Okay. Is it a little high?
High, maybe a little right.
Kind of a thud sound.
That one looked like it was low left, or sorry, it looked like it was just low and right on the, like just outside of the center plate.
Okay.
Like 4 o'clock.
That left?
High, just over the shoulder.
Okay, so that was aiming just about center of mass. I'm gonna go about center. I'm gonna go center, but a little bit low.
I think you hit the neck.
The neck on that one?
Yeah.
Okay, and I was aiming pretty low. So I'll aim at the bottom of the target and center. You see where that one went?
No.
Oh, that
You got it.
Flap.
You hit the center.
Yeah, it's the center flap, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so that's red dot at the bottom middle of the target. I think that was a little bit right. I try for that little,
Yeah, the flap again.
or no, the little, what do
Oh,
you call
that
it? The
4-inch gong?
Should I try for that?
Yeah.
We'll probably have to aim below it, right?
Yeah, maybe a full length underneath it.
Okay. Is that high?
Miss. No, I wasn't watching.
Okay, let's see. I'm gonna keep it low but centered. That's really hard to see. That's a tiny target.
That looked like it was a little high.
Okay, I'm gonna go like 2 lengths low.
You hit the dirt, so that was probably a little bit too much from where you're at.
Okay, so I'll split the difference.
Still just a little low. We're shooting a 4-inch gong out there. See if we hit it. 1 MOA at this distance.
My red dot basically covers it up. All right, that's depressing. I'm gonna switch to a pin. I'm gonna go middle bowling pin. It's such a narrow target.
Yeah.
I'm gonna
Your
go.
dot's probably going to cover that one too.
I'm gonna go the middle steel.
That was good. It looked like that was on the left side of the target.
Oh, was it high or low?
Center. Well, the lower part of the center, lower third.
Okay, but left.
Yeah. That looked like that was about centered, but still just a little low.
It was a little low.
Well, you hit the target, but it was at the...
Because I'm
Maybe
aiming right at the
30%.
bottom of it.
Uh-huh.
So I'm gonna go.
Well, if that target is 18 inches high, not counting the head,
Yeah.
if it's 18 inches high, you're probably hitting maybe 6 inches in from the bottom.
Okay, so I'm gonna bring it up about 6 inches from the bottom then.
That looked like it was... Now I'm judging you pretty harshly, right? Because you're using a red dot also.
Yeah.
But it looked like that was just left of the center line
Okay.
at about center mass.
Okay.
Good.
Okay, whatever I have left in the magazine, I'm just gonna do as quick as I can on that same target.
Hits though. Don't
Yeah.
shoot faster than you can hit.
Yeah. Watch, I have one left. Ooh, high. Out.
Cool.
Can you tell where that was?
Nope.
hitting it though. Let's go to the left one.
Over the shoulder.
Which shoulder?
Left side.
Okay. Can you tell where that hit?
No. I don't know. It sounds different.
Yeah, it had like a squishy sound almost. I'm gonna go back to the other one. Is that high and right?